stars singing, skies so blue. Soft winds whisper hello to you. Summer comes with golden rays, sunny skies and longer days. Ice creams melt, splash and play. Cool blue waves wash heat away. Autumn's breeze is crisp and cool. Leaves turn red and paint the school. Pumpkins glow and apples fall. A golden touch spreads over all. Winter chills with snow so white. Gives me snowmen, oh what a sight. Cozy nights by the fire so bright. Bells ring loud on a frosty night. Round and round the seasons go, changing colors, sun or snow. Sing along and you will see, time moves on so magically.